Hello everyone, here's a book called Job Site by Nathan Clement. Let's take a look. Boss says, level that pile. And the bulldozers lower its blade and levels the pile of gravel. See the bulldozer? There it is. Boss says, dig a hole. And the excavator tips its bucket and starts to dig. Boss says, scoop that rock. And the loader slides its bucket and takes a big scoop. Boss says, dump some gravel here. And the dump truck lifts its bed and dumps its gravel. See, it's all falling out. Boss says, pack down that spot. And the compactor rolls and packs the ground firm. Boss says, pour a slab. And the mixer swings its trowel and pours cement. Boss says, lift that stone. And the crane lifts the stone into place. Finally, boss says, this job is done. And the bulldozer, excavator, loader, dump truck, compactor, mixer, and crane roll away to the next job site. It's very pretty what they made. That's all.